your lips with mine, 'cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. 'Cause I don't feel the ground, no, I don't feel the ground, but I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. It's make me feel this way. It's kinda like.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. You guys already know by the title, I'm gonna be doing a what I eat in a day. Your girl has gained a couple of pounds and it is time to get right. It is time to get fit and to just be more consistent. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I eat in a day and the meals that I've been eating as of lately. I'm actually gonna go to the gym this morning, but first I do want to eat a quick breakfast. I have to eat something before I go to the gym, especially if I'm strength training. Whenever I do so on an empty stomach, I'll feel nauseous. Sometimes I feel like I'm even about to pass out. So I do find it really helpful to eat a light breakfast before my morning workouts. You guys, this breakfast right here is bussin'. It is so good, especially these overnight oats. I actually prepared them the night before, and all you need to add is just your oats. I also added in almond milk, and then you could add in your extra toppings like chia seeds and cinnamon powder. I also like to add in some protein powder into my overnight oats just so I can make sure I have enough protein for the day. And I just pop it in the fridge, and when I wake up in the morning, it is ready to go. And it's so convenient because I don't have to worry about preparing breakfast in the morning. But anyway, y'all, let me go ahead and finish my breakfast, and then we're gonna get ready for the gym in a bit. So good. So as y'all already know, I'm on a weight loss journey to get rid of these extra pounds, and I decided to pick up some supplements that will help me to reach my goals a little bit faster. So I got a lot of supplements from EHP Labs. For those of you who never heard of this brand, they are a sports nutrition brand and they sell so many great fitness supplements. My delivery actually came in last week, so I picked up quite a few items. I got a couple of their Oxy Shred pre-workouts. I also got their Oxy Greens, and I got their Blessed protein powder. So real quick, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about their Oxy Shred. And I got this in the flavor mango. And y'all, first off, let me tell you, this tastes so good. It's honestly one of the best tasting pre-workouts that I've had, hands down. And aside from it being a pre-workout, this is actually a thermogenic fat burner. So it basically uses your own body fat as energy. And it has so many other benefits to it. It gives you that natural boost of energy. So you're not gonna get that jittery feeling that you'll usually get from other pre-workouts. And it's also gonna help for you to better focus during your workout. I've really been loving this. This has been a huge help. So I'm definitely gonna keep you guys posted throughout my weight loss journey and just give you guys my overall thoughts as I continue to use this product.
Yeah. Who's at the farmer's market with your perfect peach? Now I'm in the basement, running on my patient. You lay your face down, me saying over a beat. So much short, I'm so much short, so much short. Let me in, it's as good as I can. I one can, one short. If I can't have you, no one will. I like you much, not the best idea. There's no conflict, all I hear. I like you much, nice to know. Never be equal, and unknown. I did it all for love, I did it all, no.
Hey y'all, so I just got out of the shower. Your girl is feeling fresh and clean. I got my Skims outfit on. I love this Skims outfit, by the way. It's just so comfortable and so cute. It's like the perfect loungewear. So for today, on the menu, we are going to make mushroom tacos. This is honestly one of my favorite lunch meals to prepare. It's so quick and easy to make, and it is so bomb, y'all. And most importantly, it's super low in calories. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I use to make my mushroom tacos. And for those of you that are wondering, I try to eat between 1,200 to 1,500 calories per day. I also try to be mindful of my protein intake. I try to consume about 90 to 120 grams of protein every day, especially because I'm strength training. But anyway, you guys, let's go ahead and get started on lunch.
I found the street of a house in which she's there. My diary's full of them on every page. 'Cause I read them out, you thought enough of me. I'll try again one day, you'll see. Your hands under my pillow, so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, these noses on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? You wipe them just for me. I'm beating on my knees. It's your touch that I need. I thought a genius day everything like that. I wanted to come and see you from above. You turned around and saw me eye with eye. I pretend I was a person driving life. Wrote you a song, you wanna hear it now. They bring a friend along to form a crowd. 'Cause I need to prove I wrote it just for you. What's the need for them when it could be just us two? I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me?
This looks so good right now. Right, about to take the first bite. Bon appetit. Y'all, this is hitting. It is so good. Like I said, this is like one of my favorite recipes to make. The mushrooms are just so flavorful. And I also really like these keto tortillas. They're really low in calories. Each only have about 20 calories. So I don't feel guilty about eating 3 tacos. Even if I want to make one more, I'm still at about 100 to 150 calories for this entire mushroom taco recipe. This is really hitting the spot right now. This is hitting the spot. Make sure you stay hydrated, folks. But all right, y'all, let me go ahead and finish my lunch and I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Hey y'all, so I'm actually about to get started on dinner in a bit, but first I did want to grab a quick little snack before I eat my dinner, and today's snack of choice are chips. So these are actually protein chips and they're by the brand Quest. I've seen these floating around all over TikTok, so I decided to give it a try. First off, these chips are not cheap. This little bag right here cost me like $9–10, so that is really expensive for a bag of chips. But aside from that, it does have a lot of protein. It has about 20 grams of protein in this one bag, and it actually tastes pretty decent. If you have not tried these before, these do not taste like Dorito chips. So get that out your head. But like I had said, these chips actually do taste decent. It doesn't taste like cardboard. It actually has somewhat of a taste to it. And I got this in the chili lime flavor, and they do have other flavors in these chips, but yeah, this is a great snack. It's a healthy alternative and it's gonna help you to reach your protein intake for the day. So this is a good choice for a snack. All right, y'all, so it is time to make some dinner, and for tonight I'm gonna be making chicken breast with broccoli and white rice. I really want to get my protein intake in. I actually already have my chicken breast prepped and ready to go. I cleaned and seasoned my meat the night before, and this is what it's looking like. One word of advice, if you guys are not already doing this, try to prep and season your meat the night before. It is so much more convenient. Your meat is gonna taste so much better because the season really marinated in it. All I gotta do from here is just take my meat, throw it on the stove top, and it is ready in about 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and make dinner.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine, oh. If you love me, everything, if you make you mad, oh. Not only you give me love, but make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you pay me, no, then I'ma spend the night, oh. Think I love you every day. That my ass with you, the money I go pay. For your love, I go pay, It make it my DJs, I feel this for you every day. When you fall on the back on the play. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. Make a psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, if you nice, I go drive me psycho. If you ever did it, don't make me mad. Make you sing to the mic. In my room, girl, you are that looking in your eyes. Show you many things you can utilize. If I say I love you, then I tell you lies. Show you everything when I get in my True that make you utilize. Yeah, look when we taste the way go revive. Give you many things we could make you dance. Girl, make you back up with this and the mic. If it's wrong ring and he never call you back, you should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad, ain't no reason. It ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at. Where you at? I love you every day. That my ass with you, the money I go pay. For your love, I can pay. It make it my DJs. I feel for you every day. When you call, run it back on the play. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay.
Whew, that dinner was so good. I just got done cleaning up my kitchen. I feel to eat a little bit of a dessert, so that is what I'm going to grab right now. This is my dessert of choice. These are called Halo Tops, and they are keto ice cream bars. It's really low in carbs, and it's also low in sugar. This is definitely hitting the spot. This was exactly what I needed. It is around 9:30 p.m. and this is going to be the very last thing that I eat for the night. I have a really bad habit of snacking late at night, especially if I'm up working or editing a video. I will be tempted to snack at midnight, 1, 2 in the morning. So after this ice cream right here, I'm done for the night. I'm closing shop. for tonight. That is it, you guys, for my what I eat in a day video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this and you found it to be helpful. And if you did, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. Thumbs up this video, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.